How to find your WhatsApp number and username on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. The first thing first, make sure that your WhatsApp application is updated to its latest version. So just go to Play Store and then search for WhatsApp Messenger. Now since you can see my app is updated and I don't have any options of update, I'm going to tap on open and it will lead me to the home page of WhatsApp. Then tap on the three dotted lines at the top right corner of the screen and tap on settings. All you need to do is tap on the profile picture. There you can see your phone number as well as your username. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching this video, then don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.